Welcome to our tutorial about harmonics. You've probably heard this term used a lot. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain exactly what harmonics are and how they affect your studio acoustics and your recording. Each tone that you play on an instrument, whether it's your guitar or your voice, has what's called a fundamental. That's the tone's lowest frequency. However, there's a lot more than this. Generally, sound waves are very complex, containing waves of many different types of frequencies. While the fundamental determines the note's pitch, these additional frequencies, called overtones or upper partials, generally give a sound its quality, timbre, and presence. Without these overtones, a tone sounds artificial, lifeless, distant, or thin. When the overtones are multiples of the fundamental frequency, they're called harmonics. So let's say I'm playing a note that's 260 Hz, middle C. The waves that resonate at 520 Hz, that's the next C up, comprise the first harmonic. The ones resonating at 1040 Hz make the next harmonic, that's the high C, and so on. Noise, like preamp hissing on the other hand, contains a wide band of frequencies and has an irregular, non-repeating waveform. And this concludes our overview of harmonics. In our next tutorial, we'll take a look at envelope.